Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. On this video I'm going to explain what's happening right now for the Bitcoin price. And guys, the last 2 days we had crazy volatility that happened in the markets, and this caused, guys, because with the two main events that happened, the CPI data reported at 7.1%, and yesterday we had the FOMC meeting, which actually hiked the 0.5 basis point. So guys, as you can clearly see, I told you that we're gonna get to this scenario. If you remember, I told you that because of this symmetrical triangle breakout, because I justify you the actually 7.1% PAM from technical side with this symmetrical triangle. And of course, guys, this kind of PAM happened from fundamental analysis because it was far below the expectations of the forecast. As I had predicted to you, I told you that if we're gonna see far below the 7.6%, which was the forecast prediction, we're gonna have massive PAM to the markets. And actually, with that kind of 7.1 that reported for the November inflation rates, we saw this kind of PAM going on for the Bitcoin. But the next day, which was actually yesterday, we had the FOMC meeting, which was another important event, which most of the guys, 80%, was waiting to see the 0.5 basis point hike, which actually happened. But guys, the trap here was very tricky, because as we saw the 0.5 basis point, and everyone was expected to see furthermore pump to actually $90,000 area, as we discussed. Jeremy Powell on his speech actually discusses the future of the markets, and which in some way told us that we're gonna get close to a recession, or even to a recession which is gonna crash the markets badly. So we're waiting this bad scenario that I was telling you. Right now, guys, I have confirmed that, and I'm expecting a big massive capitulation to happen. So yes, we're talking for the raw scenarios, which I had already told you hundreds of times on my video. 12 between $40,000. If we're gonna get there, I can tell you right now, over 90%. Okay. I had some worries if we're gonna get there. Is the worst case scenario good scenario? But right now, I believe the worst case scenario is inevitably, and we're gonna get there. So guys, on this video, we're gonna speak what happened. I'm gonna justify you, and also I'm gonna remind you that I told you the first day here of the PAM that happened, that don't hurry to make hurry decisions and open long positions. I told you that most of the guys out there gonna wreck out on this crazy PAM. I told you I give 50-50 percentage to actually see a continuation to the PAM to the upside, or either the other 50% was to see a crash. You can see from the videos that I was telling you mega PAM or mega trap titles, and you can understand that was 50-50. So it happened from numbers, exactly what I told you. If you remember, before 2-3 days, I told you that if you're gonna see far below the expectations, which happened the 7.1%, I told you that we're gonna probably surpass this major $70,600 area, and we're gonna move to the upside for a little bit. But I told you this won't last a lot, and afterwards we're gonna come with this rejection under this major orange line, which is the $70,600. So without losing more time, guys, I will jump to my intro. If you would like to know where we're going, because here we're forming a very bad, very technical price target, guys, which is this rise wedge pattern. If you would like to know where we're going and how low we can get on this very dramatic 2023, you have to stay tuned until the end of the video. And before jumping to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you're supporting me so much to continue this journey with a very simple process of daily like, daily comment, share your friends. You actually help me so much to push this video to more people via YouTube algorithm, which helped me a lot, and appreciate you for this help from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to all of you guys. I'm Chris, uploading every day crypto videos to teach you how to make smart trades with the crypto market and stack that money. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to do not miss any of my future trades. And let's jump straight to the daily time frame to explain you from the technical side, because you can clearly see that we are already in the 5 minutes video. I'm gonna be as short and more detailed as possible without losing more time. Let's focus on this daily time frame rise wedge pattern. You can clearly see here, guys, that we forming a very bearish pattern, which is this rise watch pattern. Beautiful formation, A move, B move, with this crazy pump that happened because of the CPI data report 7.1. Then FOMC meeting, we had massive rejection because we had 0.5 basis point, which we should pump, and there was the trap, guys. And afterwards, Jeremy Powell came up with a speech which actually preparing us for the Ross scenario. And guys, that's why we saw this kind of a leg down, this red candle rejection going and standing at $70,400. It was a good chance to short your position from $80,000 because, as Jeremy Powell was speaking yesterday, everyone was actually understood that he talking for a very dramatic 2023. The inflation rate actually has been lower, but they need to do lots more work to get it down to 2%, and until that we're gonna have massive crash to the markets. So guys, right now let's focus from the technical side. You can clearly see, as I told you, beautiful formation. We formed here perfectly this rise wedge pattern. Right now I'm going to give you the technical price target. I'm going to speak afterwards how low we can get there, how possible is to achieve this technical price target. Let's say, because we're going to close this candle in 2 hours, let's say we're going to break it to the next candle on this area. So guys, you can clearly see here we have the $60,000 technical price target. If you ask me if we can accomplish this 100%, yes guys, we can get there 100% according to my approach, and I'm gonna tell you why we're gonna get there. So keep this very well in your mind, and I'm gonna come back to this one in a very few with one indicator that's played big role in the current situation. Guys, here don't forget to claim 10 free Bitcoin from this Coinbase sign up. Very easy process. You put your actually your name, last name, email, you choose a password, you jump in on the Coinbase, the most reliable exchange out there. You get free bonus. Check link on my pinned comment. And guys, it's a very easy process, and there inside of this Coinbase there are some lessons that you can do it absolutely for free, and you can actually get around $20 $30 more of Bitcoin. So we're talking for 40 to 50 free BTC, just dollars, okay, dollars, not BTC. And guys, it's a very simple process. You sign up, you do your verification, which is going to happen just in less than 5 minutes, and you're just getting free bonuses. Why you should not do that? So here on the daily time frame, we're gonna see really fast support and resistance. As you can clearly see here, the first line, $70,600, is the previous bottom of the June. We already came back with this and broke out the support. So we're talking again for a very bearish scenario, because if you remember, I had told you that as we are under this massive $70,600, we're talking for very bearish scenario. So afterwards, right now we're retesting another major support, which was a very strong resistance, and is the $70,400. And I believe, guys, that we're gonna already broke out, that we're gonna break out very easy, and we're gonna come to retest the $70,250 in the next coming hours. And I believe that we're gonna break this very significant support. And you can clearly see that also this was very strong resistance. 9 days we were fighting so hard to surpass it, and we found always big weakness, and it happened only for the CPI data, which was from fundamental analysis, not from technical. So we're gonna get there. I believe that we're gonna break this one, and we're gonna get and retest this, which is the most major line, which is support at this $60,575, which I believe we're gonna find some actually strength here, but it won't keep that long. And afterwards we're gonna break and gonna come to the last one, $6,277. And every time, guys, that we're coming back to this line, every time, this is very easy support to break, but every time we're breaking this support, guys, we're getting under $60,000 inevitably. So here we're talking for 100% accomplishment of this technical price target. It's a good trade opportunity, but I don't want you to push you to do any kind of trade to this very volatile bear market, which it can happen absolutely everything. You can see we were around $20,000, and after the FTX crash, the whole market collapsed. So it's very volatile, guys. Lots of liquidations, lots of strange things. Avoid trades if you are especially intermediate or beginner trader. Avoid trades, just do your DCA. And if you would like to make a video about DCA, let me know down below in the comment section, guys, because I think most of you don't know how important is the DCA on this bear market and how you build, how much wealth you're gonna build by doing that for the future. So in the future, so guys, here I would like to show you the last indicator, and I'm gonna close the video because there, guys, I had also told you that the time that we're gonna see this kind of flip, we're gonna experience a massive crash to the market. And I'm talking to this flip, guys, orange line above blue line. When this flip is gonna happen and we're gonna start building here the bearish territory, we're gonna have massive crash. I had told you that. Go and confirm my words and come back and tell me, Chris, you were right on this video, you told us and we didn't carry it. So check again, guys, the time that we're gonna see this kind of flip and you're gonna see bearish territory like this one building on this MACD indicator, you're gonna notice massive rejection on the chart. So prepare for that. I hope you won't wreck out on this area. I had prepared you for that. Don't open long trade positions. I told you this hundreds of times. Most of you were calling me again crazy. The bear market is on the end, and you were open huge long position, which right now after the FOMC meeting, which for me was I was expecting this kind of speech, because guys, we can flip so easy from bearish to bullish. You have to understand that it's not so easy from fundamental analysis to actually change so easy from bearish to bullish. We need lots of time to get, and of course we need first to lower the inflation rate, and then we need some more signals to see on the market, and slowly afterwards we're gonna start building the bullish territory. I had told you we need 4 to 8 months to see the bullish territory building in and actually seeing the Bitcoin price going up over $30,000, $40,000, and this is gonna happen very slowly. And also, guys, I told you 4 to 8 months, the best case scenario. Okay, if you remember, I was telling you almost in most of my videos that the worst case scenario is the early days of 2024 to see actually the bullish territory start building slowly. So we're talking for a long run. That's why you should just educate yourself and just doing your DCA. This is what I would like to tell you guys on this video. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any concern, any questions. I'm answering everything, guys. If I be late to answer a question, it's gonna be a day or two, but I'm gonna answer everything. Okay, so drop your questions down below, and see you guys tomorrow with my first updates for the altcoins, and of course the last video of the day with a Bitcoin. Until then, your boy Chris is out. Bye.